Hello everyone, welcome back to another question from series of 30 Days of Pandas in LeetCode. And today we are going to find users with valid email. So we have a data frame containing user ID, name, and mail. And what we need to do is to write a solution to find the users who have valid emails. The valid email is defined as a prefix name that is a string, which may contain letters, upper and lower, digits, underscores, period, and or dash. And the prefix name must start with a letter and not all the other combinations. And the domain should specifically be @leetcode.com, and the return can be in any order. And it shows the example here that we have all these combinations. For example, the second is not acceptable because @LeetCode is not here. Then there is a hashtag here that is not acceptable for the fifth entry, and so on. So the question is a matter of a string question, which can be solved with regex. In order to solve this, we are going to import re, which is used for regex. Then we are going to create our pattern. So we use re.compile, and what will be compiled is this regex that it can be, the first one is definitely, the first one is definitely a character, but uppercase or lowercase is not important, so AZ, AZ. And then from the second one, we can have many things until we reach leetcode.com, and that's where it's finished, but also the dot, we should use backslash to consider the dot. And in between we can have AZ, which is the uppercase and lowercase. Then we can also have any number from 0 to 9, whatever we have. And dot, underscore, and dash also is there. And now that we have this regex, what we need to return is the user's email dot contains, and what it should contain is the pattern that we already described, and regex equal true. And this will return all the users that when check the email for that specific user change to str, we check for this pattern to contains in the email of that row, and it simply return that user that we want. And we see, and okay, so sorry for mistake, this is mail, because as you saw here, this is mail, not email. And it returns the rows that has the correct mail structure according to the question, and now we submit, and that's it. Thank you for your attention. If there is any question, I would answer in the comments, and please follow and subscribe for further questions following the way.